Oh my, I'm just writing the list for the Health Activation Day, the packing list. So we got the generators times 2 steel rods, the TENS pads times 12, so everyone can have a set for themselves, the Spooky 2 Central, the plasma tube, the cables, the laptop, the USB power bank, the extension cable, the white sheets of paper, as of this one, so everyone can privately write down what they want to work on, block therapy blocks, yoga mat, belly button healing wand, cold laser plus charger, the wrist X, the AHA Halo. Must remember to download the software because there are over 100 different programs. So if I haven't already preloaded them and somebody says they want something specific, then that means I can get it loaded up. This is just the beginning of the list. I'm about to flip this piece of paper over and write the other stuff down. Oh my God. If you are joining us, you are clearly in for a body tingling day. I'm calling it the health activation because we're not making any healing claims, we're not doing any medical stuff and making any diagnosis. This is really designed to support and activate your body to do what it is naturally designed to do. There's also going to be the BioWell and the Sputnik in the room. So that's Anne-Marie bringing that along. For those who haven't met me before, my name is Marilyn Devonish. And Anne-Marie is going to be doing the BioWell body scans. And then my thinking is once you've had your body scan, because that comes with a printout report, and Anne-Marie can also give you an interpretation. She's been a BioWell practitioner for 11 years at this point. Then my thinking is we can look at what the BioWell scan tells you, and then you can decide from the smorgasbord of things that are on offer where you want to start. And I'm thinking of it, the way I've designed this is like a gym circuit, but this is a gym circuit for your inner body. So for the cells, the joints, the telomeres, the fascia, the blood flow, all of those wonderful things. So yeah, it's going to be something super special. I don't think, as so far as I'm aware, I don't think all of this stuff has ever been brought together in one room in this way. Now, I did run one of these last year. However, there's some new equipment here and I didn't have the BioWell. So it is definitely unique. So for those of you who have booked your place, I look forward to seeing you all on Saturday. Yeah, and any further details, there's only 2 places left, so it depends when you're watching this. But you can go to www.transformationstm.com. That's TRANCE, F for Freddy, so FORMATIONS, TM.com. So transformationstm.com. Click the red What's New button, usually top right, and a panel will slide out, and then you can have a bit of a scroll. You'll see something about the Health Activation Day. And if you missed it, oh well, you have missed something super spectacular. So I shall leave it there. Here's to your good health. Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach, Rapid Transformation Specialist, and Futurist from transformationstm.com. Over and out.